As you can see folks, this is the new KTM Duke 250 bike. This is folks, new KTM Duke 250 bike. This is new KTM Duke 250 bike. This is folks. Features, I'm telling you, features are, you do get this LED lights, front and rear metal disc brake, LED lights, front and rear metal disc brake, digital cluster, dippers, yeah. You're getting front and rear metal disc brake, front and rear metal disc brake, digital cluster, LED lights, yeah. This is the front look of the KTM Duke 250 bike folks. KTM Duke bike, this is 250, newly launched, 25 recent it's launched. Lights you are getting, good lights you are getting folks. Lights you are getting, metal front. This you are getting sturdy. This. LED lights, 2 dippers you are getting. Yeah, good bike it is folks, as you can see. KTM Duke 250 bike this is. Awesome bike this folks, I'm telling you right now. This digital cluster is that. This you are getting folks. Ready to, this is a digital cluster of the KTM Duke 250 bike. And side stand, low, rear ABS, and 0 kilometers, 2 kilometers, 2 kilometers low, and rear ABS on side stand, 215 time. And ABS side stand, and ABS side stand, low, rear ABS on 2 kilometers side stand, and ABS side stand, and low kilometers rear ABS on. That was the digital cluster folks, as you can see. Good digital cluster it was. The side look, this is front look. Yeah. Side look. 250 badging, Duke 250 badging, Duke 250 badging it is. Duke 250 badging. Duke 250 badging. Sturdy tires. Some tires. The back look is awesome. Light you are getting this. LED light at number plate. Side look is amazing folks. Right front look. Back look. Side look, front look, all looks are there. Good bike it is. KTM badging, KTM badging, KTM badging. This badging, this is the seat, comfortable seats, sturdy tires, back look is this. Yeah. Side look, let me show you. Front look is there, good looks are there of the bike, folks. Front look is there. Front look is there. Yeah. Side look is there, folks. Back look is there. Yeah. Side look is there. Front look is there. Yeah. Side look is there. KTM badging. Bike look is awesome, folks. Look is good. Look is good. Yeah. Look is also good. Like this. Side look. Front look. Side look. Suspension, this is white suspension. Side look. Side look, folks. Front look. Yeah. Side look. Let me do like this. Yeah. This is the final front look, folks, of the KTM Duke Bike 250. It features, I'm telling you, LED lights, front end metal disc brake, digital cluster, LED lights, front end metal disc brake, and 2 mirrors. Yeah. Mm.